Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to download and install WordPress on your computer. We'll be using XAMPP server to host the website on your local machine. To know how to download and install XAMPP server on your computer, please follow the link in the description or in the info box provided. Now let's get started. Open your Chrome and search for WordPress download. Click on the first link. I'll be attaching this link in the description as well. Scroll down and click on download WordPress 6.1.1. Every time you can see a new version released over here. Let the download be complete. Once it is downloaded, show in folder. This will be a zipped file. Copy the file on the desktop and paste it here. Extract the file to some folder. Now go to C drive. Open XAMPP. Go to htdocs and create a new folder for your website. I'm calling it wp-test site1 and click enter. Go to desktop, open the folder, go to WordPress and copy all the files which have been extracted. Go to the folder which you created inside XAMPP, open it and paste it here. Now your WordPress website files are successfully hosted on your XAMPP server. Open your XAMPP control panel and start your Apache and MySQL server. Note the port number. Now open Chrome and type localhost 81/phpMyAdmin. We need to create a database for our WordPress website. Click on databases. Type the database name you want. I'm calling it wp-test site1-db. To support the database in multiple languages, we'll be choosing the option called collation and click create. Now you can see your database is created. Now let's start installing our WordPress. Go to localhost 81 / the folder name which you just created, wp-test site1, and hit enter. You will land on this page. Select your language. I'm selecting English and click continue. Read all the instructions to follow further. Click let's go. Enter the database name which you just created in phpMyAdmin, wp-test site1-db. Enter the username root. Password should be empty and database host should be localhost and click submit. Run the installation. Enter your site title. I'm calling it wp-test site1. We also need to create an admin for our WordPress. Let's call it test user1. Create a rememberable password. Click confirm password. Enter the user email of admin. And click install WordPress. Once it is installed, you will see success message. Save your credentials and log into your dashboard. Enter your username and password. Click login. Here you go. You are landed on your WordPress dashboard of your website. Now you can start building your website from here. Click on this link and open your website like this. This will be the front page of your website. Thank you.